Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. We are here with another wig install. Today's wig is from Amazon Prime. This video is not sponsored, by the way. But anyway, y'all, this wig is from Sensationnel. This is their Butta Lace Human Hair Blend wig. She is a loose, deep, well, I guess the texture of the style is a loose, deep wave. And she's supposed to be 24 inches. I don't know about that. But look at the texture, y'all. The curls are popping. The curls are curling, okay? But it's a little bit shine. It's not too bad. They did give us baby hairs in the hairline. Impeccable. So I am going in to cut the lace off. Prior to cutting the lace off, I did tint the lace because it did not match my skin tone, and we're not going out like that. So be sure to make sure you tint your lace if the lace does not already match your skin tone. Now I'm going in to adhere this wig to my head, okay? So I am using my Ebin lace spray. I'm taking about 3 sprays or 3 layers of this stuff. Yeah, y'all, this is some strong, I love this stuff, y'all. It's strong. It's humidity resistant. I love it, okay? I always rave about this product. So I'm gonna let this product dry. I'm gonna keep tapping it with my finger because I want the consistency to be, or the texture, I don't even know how to explain it, but I want that to be sticky tacky. When it's sticky and tacky, you know it's time to secure it down. Now you're gonna align the wig to where you place the product. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is laying super duper flat. So I am just going to go on both sides of the unit and pull it down. I'm going to reinforce that lace, making sure it is secured by using the, end of my comb. And then I'm just going to go back in with some air. Ear tabs. For some reason with synthetic units, those will lift up like constantly. So I notice that I have to double up on product when it comes to the ear tabs on the side to make sure that everything lays down properly. So you may have to go in a couple of times to make sure it's down, but use hot heat on the edges. Hot heat, okay, to keep them down. I've noticed that worked. Also, to prevent your wig from like rolling up and getting like wrinkly and stuff, make sure you're laying it super flat and you're stretching it down, okay? You're stretching it down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and melt this even more. This is like my little secret. I love to spray my tinting spray onto a brush and then go over again on my hairline just so I can have that super flawless melt. And then you have to go in with the elastic band. If you don't have an elastic band, sis, you're missing the key. I feel like that elastic band and the pressure on the hairline just makes everything just blend in seamlessly. It just does the dang thing. Now we left it on for a little bit. We can go ahead and take it off. And what did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? Y'all see how that looks? That looks like what lace? That looks like that's my real hair. Like, now look at me getting this clip stuck all up in the hair. Girl was struggling. But anyway, y'all, this hairline looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and fix up this part. They do give us a part, but it needs to be more crispier. It just needs to be that, and I want it a little bit more oval, if that makes sense. I'm just going to go in with my Kiss Hot Comb. I do have it on the lowest heating setting because if you had that heat up too high, child, it would change the texture of your unit. So you're not going for that. So I do have it on. I do have it on 270, I think. 270 or 290. So now I'm just going to do some baby hairs. Baby hairs is pretty much optional. You don't have to do this step at all. I know a lot of people saying, I don't like baby hairs. But baby girl, you don't have to do no baby hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this at an angle. The length depends on you, but I always say if you are beginners starting with baby hairs, make sure you start off with longer pieces and trim as you go, because if you start short, there is no coming back and your wig is messed up. Okay, so longer pieces and trim as you go. So when it comes to swooping my hair with synthetic hair, I don't use a flat iron. I've never tried personally to see if it works. I doubt it, but you know, you're just gonna have to use your finger and you're gonna have to swoop. Let your finger be the guideline. I do add extra security so my wig can stay in place. The baby hairs can stay in place with my Got to Be Glue spray. So we're gonna spray that on top, and then we use the back of our edge brush to make sure it's flat and, you know, laid down. So do be mindful that your baby hairs are sisters. They are not twins. They're not gonna be perfect. They're not gonna look exactly the same. Baby, just do it to the best of your abilities. If it's too much hair, pull some hair back into the hairline. If it's not enough hair, pull it down. I really have to base it on the way the wig is constructed, because like this side over here when I'm doing baby hairs, I kind of can see the track showing. This is a good and bad thing. Good because the hair is going to cover it anyway. Bad if you're blowing out, your hair is blowing in the wind and somebody is like very close to your hair, they will see that track there. So it's really how I do my baby hair. It really depends on the construction of the wig. So I did put another elastic band on because I wanted my baby hairs to lay flat. I didn't want it tight, okay, but I just want everything to be cohesive. They look good. Y'all know sometimes I do short baby hair. Sometimes I do like a little thick ones, some long ones. It just depends. To give it a feel of a virgin hair unit, I do like to go in and bump the roots towards this section because I feel like it just makes it look more realistic, you know. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the wig for the first time. Normally, y'all know I don't manipulate the curls, but this unit, it was just I don't know, I couldn't get the curls to how I wanted, so I had to brush them out. Now I did get some tangling here and I did get some shedding as well, so be mindful of that. All right, y'all, so I don't know, maybe 20 inches, but it ain't 24. It's just, it looks super short to be a 24-inch unit, you know, because I'm thinking of 26, thinking of 24, and it's just very short. So I hope you guys enjoyed. The link to this wig will be down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something.